If you're locked out of your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max because you forgot your passcode, this video will show you exactly how to get back into it. Don't stress, this happens to a lot of people and you can fix it yourself at home. You don't need to pay for any software and you should ignore any app that promises to unlock your phone for a fee. If this helps, consider subscribing, it does really help the channel. Okay, let's get started. Before we do anything else, there's one thing worth trying first, and this is method number 1. If you only change your passcode in the last few days and it's the new one that you've forgotten, you might be able to skip all of this. Keep entering a passcode until you see the forgot passcode option at the bottom of the screen. Tap it and you'll see an option that says enter previous passcode. Tap that. Type in your old passcode and if it works, you are straight back in without erasing anything. Your iPhone will give you an option to set up a new passcode. In my case, I'm going to select 4-digit passcode and enter a new one that I can remember, and that's it. I've got my phone back. Now, if that doesn't apply to you or that option isn't there, don't worry. Proceed to method 2. For method 2, we don't need the computer and we will be doing everything on the phone itself. The only real way back into your iPhone is to reset it, which erases whatever is on it. If you've got a backup, don't worry, you won't lose anything and you'll be able to put it all back at the end. If you don't have a backup, you'll be starting fresh, so it's worth knowing that before we begin. Okay, so for this to work, your iPhone needs to be connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data and you'll need your Apple account password. On the lock screen, keep entering a passcode until the screen says iPhone unavailable. Tap Start iPhone Reset. Enter your Apple account password when it asks. This signs you out of your account on the phone. Then tap Erase iPhone to confirm. Your iPhone will now erase itself and restart, which can take a few minutes. When it comes back on, follow the steps on the screen like you did when you set up your phone for the very first time. If you had an iCloud or computer backup, that step will offer to restore it, so choose that to get your photos, apps, and messages back. Now, if that on-screen method didn't work, usually because the phone had no internet connection, proceed to method 3. So for method 3, you'll need a Mac or Windows PC and a cable. Connect your iPhone with computer using the provided USB cable and then press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button. Keep holding the side button, don't let go of the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. When you see a screen with a computer and a cable icon on your iPhone, then let go. On your Mac, open Finder, or if you're on Windows, open the iTunes app. On your computer, you'll get a message asking whether to update or restore. Choose Restore. Let it finish. Once finished, you'll be asked to set up your phone like you did for the very first time. If you have an iTunes backup or backup on cloud, you'll have the option to restore everything from that backup. And that's it, you're back into your iPhone. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please make sure to like the video as it really helps the channel out. This is Abdul signing out and I'll see you in the next one.